Hello learners, welcome to Manifested online classes. My names are James Kenyani. We are going to continue our topic on loci, and we had worked out some questions in the previous lesson, and I gave you 2 more to solve at home. So we shall pick on from that stage where we shall solve the 2 questions I had given you in that assignment. So in the assignment, question 9 was state and sketch the locus, that is of a ball which rolls such that it is always 4 meters from a straight wall, and 10, a line AB rotated through 180 degrees about A. So we said you should first of all, if we start with question 9, that's question 9, use blue. Let's use just black. Question 9, you go to the laws. From the definition of a locus, the law commanding the question is very important. If you look at 9, a ball which rolls such that it is always 4 meters from a straight wall. So I'll need the sketch first. So I need that sketch. Assume a wall will have some thickness. So with that, I'll know that this is my wall. So in the next one, I should look at the trajectory of the ball. So I'll come, that is my ball. So it has to roll. So I'll grab it. The ball has to roll. So you can take this as the initial position. That is the final. That is the final position. And that distance, we are told it is always maintained as 4 meters. So that is the sketch for question 9. So that shows a wall, a straight wall. That is the initial position of the ball. And here we shall have the path. Should indicate the path. I'll indicate the path. So if we look at T12, the path will also be a straight line because the distance is equal. Therefore, if the distance is equal, you'll just get a line. The locus will be a line parallel to the straight wall. The locus will just be a line parallel to the straight wall, because in the law they are saying it should maintain the 4-meter distance from the wall. So the path is equidistant. That's why the line will be a straight line. It is a line parallel to that straight wall. So we shall go to question number 10, the solution for it. And as usual, we always look at the law given in the question. So in question 10, it is a line AB, a line AB, a line AB. And in the definition, we talked of a line. A line will sweep out, most likely sweep out an area. A point only sweeps a path. Like in this one, it has swept a line. So we'll go straight to the sketches. And for the sketches, the instruments will play a great importance as you draw. So first of all, in that one, you identify the line AB. The line AB. The line AB. So you can draw that. So you can even use the stroke of that. So you have line A, point B. So if you look at it very well, it is the line being rotated. So in that case, A will be like AB will be like the radius of the trajectory. So it will come, every point on the line is moving. Look very well. I'll just draw the outline. So draw the outline. Be careful there. So after drawing the outline, I'll come and make a continuation of A. So we shall have a continuation of A up to that. So it was the line that was being rotated. What you should notice, every point on that line is moving. It is not a point as in the other question. Every point on this line will be moving. So if you look at it well, it will sweep a region. It will sweep that region. It will sweep a region. So you can come and say, that is line AB. This is the final position. You can, A remains, and this can be B prime. So it is, you are given a law there. It sweeps through 180 degrees. So this is the region swept. Region swept. And it is easy to know that region swept. So the locus is a semicircular region. Be very careful. When you talk of a region, you are talking of an area. So the locus is a semicircular region. What played importance there were the laws. So from our definition, of the locus, we had low or lows. So our low there was 180 degrees, and then the line. So every point on that line sweeps all over. So if we have a straight edge, if I have this, and I put it on the board and rotate it, it will sweep a region. So it is similar to that. So the line is just like an edge. Like if you are sweeping using the dryers, it has an edge, it sweeps an area or a region. That gives you the solution for that. Having done that, the two questions, as we continue building up those facts we've got on the definition of the locus, I'll give you two more questions on the same. I'll give you two more questions on the same before we terminate the lessons from People's Book 4. So the questions are there on the board where you are still stating and sketching the locus. 12. A rectangle ABCD is resting on its vertical plane. It is given a translation, it is moved, a translation, by a vector perpendicular to AB through a fixed distance. Describe the locus. 13. A solid set square, you know what a set square is, it's rectangular in shape. A solid set square is rotated about one of its shorter sides through 360 degrees. Describe the locus. So we are still continuing to build on the definition we had on the loci before we move ahead. So as you work out the two questions, make sure you are perfecting your skills on the same as we continue to finish a few of that aspects on the loci. So having done that, I hope you'll have a good time in solving those two questions before we meet next time. So have a good time and bye.